Good afternoon. My name is Tyler Fierce, and today I chose to find an alternative to the main like browsers, like your common default browsers like Safari or Internet Explorer or Microsoft Edge. And the browser that I found is a browser called Tor, which I've heard of before, but after going through the Alternative 2 website, I ran across it and remembered some things seen about it on the internet. And it's just like your standard web browser. You can open a new tab, window, but with this one, it's emphasized on your privacy. So, after going through every search or even just closing the browser, if you want to reset a new identity, as it's called, you can close all the windows. It'll delete all your history and your cookies and allow you to have a new identity of before erasing what you were previously searching and going through before. I haven't searched anything yet. You can show your toolbar, sidebars, zoom, typical things, history, bookmarks, tools like showing the things you've downloaded, add-ons if you want to get add-ons for it, plugins, themes. Everything standard that comes with a browser, but like I said, with this one emphasizing more on your privacy, allowing you to have a more private experience. Oh, a little slow. I chose this one because of my interest for the deep web. After hearing things, reading stories about it, different things, just interest, just curious about it to see what all you can see in the outer parts of the internet. That's that you have to dig for. It interests me a lot, which is why when I ran across this, I was really quick to decide on wanting to do my video on it. And I feel like if I was to use it more than anything, it would be to make my way into the deep web, just to relieve myself of the curiosity that I have, and to see, is what all is available to it. Like even this, like I'm just doing a regular Google search. This is pretty weird to have to put a capture in here. I think I'm doing this right. Hope I'm doing. Man, this is really extensive just for a Google search. I'm probably doing them wrong though. Dang. It's pretty wild though. Oh my gosh. I must be doing this very wrong. Bicycles. Every time. Another bicycle. Wow. It's pretty crazy. It also uses a different search engine called DuckDuckGo. I haven't heard of this one also, so I guess you can call that another alternative to a standard search engine that you see out of like Google or Bing or Yahoo. It's pretty cool though. I hope I can dive a little bit more into it to figure out a little bit more so that it won't be as difficult for me to use. So maybe in another video in the future, I can show you guys the experience that I've gained in using it. But this is Tor, and I hope this is something legal. You know, I'm not gonna get in trouble for wanting to use something like this. Even though I think everybody should be able to use something like this, if even if it's something, you know, legitimate that they're doing, nothing with nothing evil, nothing crazy that they're searching for. Just want to use it to keep everything that they look for private, you know, out of the hands of people that are able to reach in and take people's identities or information, or even like the annoying ads that you can get from just searching through for something. I think this would make it pretty useful. You don't want to get all that spam. But yeah, thank you and have a nice day.